In today's tech tip, I'll be showing you how to stop apps from using mobile data in the background of your Android phone. So what you want to do is go to settings. On the main settings page, find apps, and you should see a list of all the apps on your Android phone. So what you want to do is select the specific app you want to stop from using mobile data in the background. Let's say, for instance, you want to do it on Google Drive. So select the app, and then you want to go to mobile data and Wi-Fi. Tap on that, and then we're going to turn off background data. So enable usage of mobile data in the background. We want to turn that off so that this app will never use mobile data when it's running in the background. Now, for some apps, that might be detrimental, because for an app like Gmail and other apps, you need those apps to use mobile data in the background so that when there's an email, you'll know immediately when that email arrives. So for apps like this, you might want to go here and make sure that stays enabled. And you can enable or disable for all the apps individually on your Android phone. Thanks for watching. Leave your comments and questions down below, and good luck.